Well, so Debbie forgot her cell phone in a bike after we already got back to the boat. So we had to come back in the mangroves in the pitch black.
Not a happy camper.
We did maneuver our way back though.
On a new motor now.
Oh yeah, we're on the third motor. And it's kind of fast, unfortunately, but this is what we have to maneuver in the middle of the night. We got flashlights.
Can you tell where to go? Can you see for the left? I need left. No idea where I'm at right now.
You see?
Okay.
Yeah, that's that little cutout over there.
Okay. Thank God this is high tide right now.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Supposedly there's crocodiles in here too.
We haven't seen any yet, which is just fine.
Her answer to everything is it's fine.
Because it usually
Say
is. Huh?
Did you just say it's fine? You did, didn't
No, I said it's just fine that we didn't see
you?
any.
Yeah, it's just fine. Everything's just fine, people.
Oh my god. I love her, but this has been a little
My
trying.
floating marker of I don't know what is over there.
What?
What is that?
I don't know. What is that? Well, don't go over towards it. What are you doing? It looks like some firewood.
Where's my marker? What is that? Or is it the tree? Hey, what is that?
Where?
I need the marker.
What marker?
The bush. I don't want to know.
What are you talking about?
That. Okay, there.
Oh my goodness. Thank God it wasn't me that left my phone. I would have been in big trouble.
Are you whispering?
Huh? Alright. Kind of a nice night. Sort of. There is a full moon up there when the clouds part. I wouldn't want to be working tonight. Oh, I pity all the healthcare workers.
Here comes the bridge we hope not to hit.
Oh yeah, so here comes the bridge with the concrete pillars that we have to maneuver under. Where are you going?
I'm taking a wide.
Okie doke.
Don't critique.
Well, I'd rather you didn't run into the bushes.
Well, I'd rather not run into a concrete pole.
See, there's poles.
Show them where we can go grocery shopping.
Poles. I think I did already, but
He wants me to go into those poles.
oh my goodness. During the day, it's not bad. See, somebody's over there grocery shopping. There's a boat. There's a boat over there. Alright, so our boat's all the way out there. We gotta figure out where it's at. I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys later.